Welcome to San Diego de Veraguas, the charming capital of Panama's Veraguas province, known for its colonial architecture, vibrant local markets, and location along the Pan American Highway. Santiago is perfect for travelers seeking culture or transit comfort. The first one is Hotel Galleria, just over a mile from downtown Santiago on the Interamericana Highway. Hotel Galleria offer air-conditioned room with balconies overlooking the city or gardens. Amenities include a garden terrace, an in-house restaurant, and a cozy lobby lounge. Guests often praises the personalized services and complimentary breakfast, ideal for travelers wanting center access with a peaceful setting. Average price is $70 to $75 per night. The second one is Hotel Mykonos. Located around 2 miles from the city center, this hotel stands out with its refreshing outdoor pool, fitness center, and spa facilities. The bright and modern rooms come with minimalist decor and large windows. The international breakfast buffet draws both domestic and international guests. It is excellent for families, leisure, or business groups. Average price is $90 to $95 per night. The third one is Vista Lago. About 5 miles outside Santiago in a tranquil lakeside setting, Vista Lago offers minimalist room with stunning water or garden views. Guests can relax on hammocks or shaded terraces by the lake. It is peaceful, scenic, and perfect for travelers looking for a quieter retreat close to nature. Friendly service complements the serene vibe. Average price is $80 to $85 per night. The fourth one is Hotel Grand David, just a mile from central Santiago. This full-service hotel offers an outdoor pool surrounded by lush gardens and sun lounges. Guest rooms are spacious, some offering views of the pool or garden. The complimentary breakfast and helpful staff make it a comfortable mid-range choice for families or business travelers. Average price is $80 to $85 per night. The fifth one is Hotel Plaza Corotu. Located about 1.1 miles from the city core, Plaza Corotu offers modern, spacious rooms and secure private parking. Many rooms come with balconies featuring green garden views. Thoughtful on-site staff and amenities tailored for comfort make it popular with couples and travelers looking for value. Average price is $45 to $55 per night. Next one is Hotel Plaza Santiago. Situated a few blocks from Santiago's Central Plaza and Cathedral, this hotel combines modern interior with welcoming hospitality. Guests enjoy a warm breakfast, tidy rooms, and a helpful reception desk. It is well suited for visitors looking to explore the heart of the city on foot. Average price is $80 to $95 per night. The next one is Black Line Inn. About 7 kilometers outside the city on the Pan American Highway, this motel hotel inn offers clean, basic rooms with air conditioning and a quiet atmosphere. It is an affordable option for travelers looking for an overnight rest or road trip stopover. Average price is $35 to $40 per night. The next one is De Rosas Apartments. Located just outside downtown Santiago, these apartments units come with kitchen teas, free parking, and Wi-Fi. Spacious and quiet, they are perfect for longer stays or independent travelers who enjoy self-catering. The residential neighborhood adds to the relaxed ambience. Average price is $40 to $45 per night. The second last is Hostel and Cafe Travelers. Within walking distance of Santiago Stadium and bus station, this guest house offers simple air-conditioned rooms and complimentary coffee breakfast. Praised for its central location and practical amenities, it is ideal for transit guests or short business days. Average price is $30 to $35 per night. The last one is Hotel Anna Mary. Located near the city core, Anna Mary provides tidy room, reliable Wi-Fi, and free parking. This property is quiet and modest but well suited for solo travelers or couples looking for value in a central setting. Average price is $40 to $45 per night. That's our complete guide to the top 10 hotels in Santiago de Veraguas, Panama, covering luxury stays, cozy apartments, and budget-friendly choices suited for all type of travelers.